Hi students, now let's go to chapter number 3, Indices and Cube Root. Please remember that let's recall, that content of let's recall is totally omitted for the exam. It is left for you as a self-study because these things you have studied in standard 7th. Before I start practice set 3.1, let's learn meaning of numbers with rational indices. In set 3.1 we are going to learn meaning of numbers when the index is a rational number in the form of 1 upon n. Remember that in general nth root of a is expressed as a raised 1 upon n. You know what is a? A is base and 1 upon n is index. Your base is a and your index is 1 upon n. N is the root, like nth root. 1 upon n means nth root. Now I'll give one example. Suppose I say fourth root of x. So of x. So your base is x, right, bigger. And then fourth root. So 4. It will be 1 upon 4. Fourth root. This is your first example. Second, suppose I say 10th root of 275. So your base is 275. You write 275. You can write in bracket also. And then 10th root. So it is 1 upon 10. Now let's come to practice set 3.1. Question number 1. Express the following numbers in the index form. First question is 5th root of 13. So what is your base? Base is 13. If you want, you can put it in bracket. So 13. 13 your base. 5th root. So 1 upon n form. That means 1 upon 5. So your answer will be 13 raised to 1 upon 5. Now 6th root of 9. So what is your base here? 9. So first of all you write 9. Remember your 9 should be bigger enough. And then 6th root. So it will be 1 upon 6. If you want, put bracket 1 upon 6. For single number actually bracket is not required. Square root of 256. I told you before that square root means 1 upon 2. So your base is 256. 256 here. And then 1 upon 2 because it is square root. I also told you that for cube root it should be 1 upon 3. So cube root of 17. So write 17, which is your base, and then 1 upon 3. Always remember for cube root it is 1 upon 3 and for square root is 1 upon 2. Then 8th root of 100. So it is 100 and then 8th root. So 1 upon 8. Next, 6th question. 7th root of 30. So your base is 30. Write down 30. Put bracket and then 7th root. So 1 upon 7. This way you learned how to express a number when the index is a rational number in the form of 1 upon n. Now we'll go to the question number 2. Question number 2. Write in the form of nth root of a in each of the following numbers. The first question is 81 raised to 1 upon 4. Your index is 1 upon 4 and base is 81. So 1 upon 4 means 4th root. So you'll be writing 4th root of your base. What is your base? 81. So 4th root of 81. Same way, it is 1 upon 2. Now you know that 1 upon 2 means square root. So your root will be square root of 49. 1 upon 5. 1 upon 5 means 5th root. So write your 5th root of 15. Next, 100 raised to 1 upon 19. So 1 upon 19 means 19th root. So we'll be writing 19th root of 100. Question number 5. 512 raised to 1 upon 9. So here it will be 9th. 1 upon 9 means 9th root of 512. 512 is your base and 1 upon 9 is your index. Last question, 6th question. 6 raised to 1 upon 7. So 1 upon 7 means 7th root. So 7th root of your base is 6. So 6. 7th root of 6. Very simple question which you can do it. So revising once again. 81 raised to 1 upon 4 means 4th root of 81. 81 is base and 1 upon 4 gives you 4th root. 1 upon 2 gives you square root and base is 49. So 49 raised to 1 upon 2 means square root of 49. Third question. 15 raised to 1 upon 5. 1 upon 5 indicates 5th root and base is 15. So 5th root of 15. 100 raised to 1 upon 19. 1 upon 19 means 19th root, which is your index, and base is 100. So 100. So 19th root of 100. 512, 1 upon 9. So look at this 9. So write 9th root of 512. Sixth question. 6 raised to 1 upon 7. 1 upon 7. Look at 7. So 7th root of 6. That completes your practice set 3.1.
Audio.